Hi, yes, it's me again. Yes, so unfortunately my fridge has been making funny noises and I was wondering if you could send someone over to have a look at it. Oh, today? Yes, no, that'd be great. Yep, same address. All right, then see you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye. So what's the verdict?
Well, it's not making any noise at all. I mean, the noise it is making, it's the normal hum of the running of the motor.
Yeah, no, but once in a while it makes that, when the compressor's running, it makes that like rumbling sound, like vroom, vroom, vroom,
What was that?
vroom, vroom, vroom.
Right. And what time of day does it do that?
Oh, whenever the compressor's running, so a few times an hour.
Right. Well, everything's connected and it's freezing, right?
Yeah.
And it's keeping things cold in the fridge?
Yep.
Oh, there's nothing I can do at this stage. All I can suggest is wait until the what is it again? The sound?
Vroom, vroom,
Okay.
vroom.
Well, yeah, wait until that happens all the time and then call us back and we'll come out and have a look at it then.
Well, maybe you should come round at 2 a.m. when the whole apartment is shaking. It's very annoying. Are you sure there's nothing you can do?
It's under warranty. Give us a call in 3 months when it gets really bad.
Okay, thank you.